kamusta po yung nagiging preparation natin nito, and then nung nalaman niyo po na kayo po ay isa po sa ating pong mga sub-cabinet, paano po natin to pinaghahandaan ngayon? Wow.
Yes.
So since I think that's February when Apostle Jonathan called for a summit meeting ng Arts
Yes po.
Department, and then he tasked us to have the orchestra department
Yes po.
to come up with program. So sabi niya, itrain natin yung mga churches. So we
Right.
come up with a program together with my officers. So itong nagdaang Sabado, itong March 21, sa pagkakatanda ko, March 21, nagkaroon tayo ng event here in Manila, hosted by Manila Local, entitled Conbrio. Conbrio means with fire, with spirit.
Oh.
It's an Italian term. It's a musical term. Italian term, Conbrio, which means with spirit. Con means with, so with
Praise
spirit.
God.
And we have this subtitled One Spirit in Harmony. So this event was joined by different local churches from all over North, and some churches within the Southern Metro Manila and Eastern Luzon part of the Philippines. Nag-start kami sa mga existing groups. So we have this stage 1 na plan na kung saan we will work on with the immediate groups. We will work on with the existing groups muna. And then, awa ng Diyos, dumating yung panahon na magkaroon ng mga outreach program para maabot din yung mga grassroots local churches, which is yun ang gusto ng mahal na Apa. So,
Yes po.
pero
True.
itong nagdaang event, it is joined by existing groups. So, doon sa mga hindi nakapunta, huwag kayong magtatampo kasi or wag sasama loob nyo sa amin. Kasi darating tayo doon. Itong
Yes.
ginawa namin is just stage 1. First stage lang to kung saan nagsimula tayo doon sa mga meron ng grupo, sa mga existing groups. It is joined by local churches from Angono, Rizal, Casiglahan, Cavite, Dasmariñas, Malagasang, Tanza, Isabela, Padilla, and representatives from Southern Metro Manila churches. Yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko, hopefully, dumating tayo sa point na magkaroon ng mga outreach programs and development programs na kung saan maabot din natin yung mga churches from the provinces. So last Saturday, I think, awa ng Diyos, it's around 150 plus participants.
Wow.
God.
150 plus participants. Ang pinakamalayo dyan yung Isabela. Like, they traveled all the way from Isabela. I think 14 hours. 14 hours. Nagbiyahe sila ng Friday, dumating sila ng Saturday morning. And of course, alam niyo naman, ang mahal ng gas ngayon. Ang laki ng gastos nila. Share ko lang testimony. I'll testify
Yeah, go ahead
them.
po.
Para makapunta sila sa program na to, alam niyo yung ginawa nila, tumugtog sila sa isang event sa Isabela. Kasi mga brass sila, yung mga woodwind players.
Yes
So,
po.
tumugtog sila sa event sa Isabela, at yung kinita nila doon, yun yung pinang-gas nila para maka-attend sa event.
Wow. Ang galing.
Yes, and it is that's headed by Brother Rovic Tarun. I think he is the uncle of Brother Mars Tarun from Home Free Band.
Opo.
The one, that's Brother Rovic.
There you go.
That's that's Elder Rovic. Elder Rovic is the leader of their band. And he's the uncle of Brother Mars, I believe, if I'm correct.
Wow.
So, ayun, they're a family of brass players. So, everyone's making sacrifices.
Right.
All the way from Padilla and Cavite churches. So, nagpuntahan sila, and it's a whole day event. We started 9. We ended 8 p.m. kasi ang daming in-assess. We assessed
Yes.
a lot of them. And we interview and everything. And we lay out the guidelines and everything. So, matrabaho siya. But it's fun and
Amen.
fulfilling and
Definitely.
inspiring. Yeah.